Well, today's setup consists of X-Lite, some directional antenna, my FPV goggles, and my favorite Leather 7. It's powered by two LiIon packs. One pack is 4S1P and it has 3000 mAh capacity, so when you combine two of them you will get better currents and more capacity. It means that this is 6000 mAh pack and it should be capable of 92 amps of continuous current. It's a bit sad that with all the things stick up to it, the frame isn't very beautiful. Also, it has the same problem as the Carrera frames. The vertical arms works as a rudder, and in windy conditions it's not very nice flight because it's wobbling. So let's test the endurance of this LiIon pack. I forgot to change the profile of battery, so I leave it on the 3000 milliamps, and after 3000 milliamps the buzzer will just making me crazy, so I will land and reset the flight controller and fly again. So it should be 2 times 3000 milliamps.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
After the flight, these two packs are just not even warm. The temperature is around 42 degrees Celsius, and I think it flies well. It has power to gain altitude even on 9 volts, so for emergency it will fly toward you until the battery dies totally. So for long range flights, this is the best setup I have.